Hello art beaters, Becky here for artbeads.com, and I've got a brand new video for you today. Today I thought I would show you how to make your own Christmas ornaments with beads and pendants like the ones that we sell at artbeads.com. You don't need to make just jewelry with your beads and jewelry supplies. You can make pretty Christmas ornaments for your holiday tree and all your pretty decorations. So it's a great way to use some of your special beads. I love this for using hand painted like keepsake beads. These are very special beads. All of these beads are hand painted by artists with tiny little brushes. So they really are like one of a kind masterpieces. They're definitely like specialty artisan beads. And I think they would be so pretty to show off on your tree. So we've paired them with other beautiful beads from this site and just made them beautiful ornaments for your tree. You can add them to your tree with hooks like this wire one that we made, or add a little bit of silk ribbon and tie it to a branch on your tree. This is really beautiful. I think it's a great way to showcase some of these gorgeous artisan hand-painted beads. We also have hand-painted pendants. These are paper mache, so they're super lightweight, and you can see these hand-painted ones are often signed by the artist, so that gives it even more of a like artisan feel. But yeah, this is so cute. We added some little beaded links, another little hook to add to your tree. This will not weigh your tree down at all because the paper mache is super lightweight. Love that one. You can also we sell snowflake forms, wire snowflake forms. So you can add whatever beads you like to these snowflake forms, and we do have different sizes, and these make wonderful ornaments as well. Another great idea is making whatever ornament your heart desires with the help of seed beads. This little snowman snow globe was made with the brick stitch technique, and with this technique you can make almost any shape, any design your heart dreams of. So using seed beads to make Christmas ornaments is another great idea. Brick stitch is a nice, pretty straightforward stitch to start with. I've seen people make amazing like 3D peyote stitch star ornaments as well. Those are really amazing too. So great. And by the way, you can find all of these pieces in our design studio at artbeads.com. I've got links in the video description. If you see something that you want to recreate, we do have instructions and supplies lists for these projects, so you can start making some Christmas ornaments for yourself. I think beaded wire frames are another great ornament idea. These are pre-formed wire frames that we just beaded. You could also make your own shapes, like use craft wire to make a heart or a star shape and bead those. And then you could make any shape you like, and these would look so pretty on the tree as well. And not only can you make your own Christmas ornaments with jewelry making supplies, you can make hooks too. Like if you have special ornaments that you want to make a special hook for, you can make your own hooks. We used twisted wire to make these hooks and some little prestige crystal margarita beads to make a little Christmas tree. So all you would have to do is add the ornament of your choice and then use the spiral to attach to a tree branch. So that's a really fun idea to make along with all of the ornaments that you're going to make. So cute. I love that emerald green margarita bead. And then we also used crystal vitriol, which has like a rainbowy look. That one to me looks like Christmas lights on the tree. So that would look very beautiful on your Christmas tree with an ornament hanging from it. So really beautiful ideas. There's so many different ways that you can use your beads, pendants, seed beads to make your own Christmas ornaments. And then your tree is like extra special. You've got some really beautiful handmade ornaments on your tree, and they make great gifts to give to others during this season. If you're going to a Christmas party and you want to gift the host, make an ornament for your tree, or host an ornament making party where you teach others how to make their own Christmas ornaments. That would be a little fun craft party. So I hope that these ideas were inspiring to you. Again, you can find all of these at artbeads.com with free instructions and a supplies list, and you can find even more beautiful beads to make your own Christmas ornaments and jewelry at artbeads.com as well. thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and a comment. And as always, subscribe to our channel so you're the first to know when videos like this are out. And I will see you next time. Bye.